मशहूर खातून सहाफ़ी आयशा खानम कर्नाटक मीडिया एकेडमी की चेयरपर्सन नामजद हुई हैं। बेंगलुरु के वीवी टावर में मौजूद मीडिया एकेडमी के दफ्तर में 11 जुलाई बरोज जुमेरात आयशा खानम ने रस्मी तौर पर अपने ओहदे का जायजा लिया। इस मौके पर हुकूमत कर्नाटक का शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए आयशा खानम ने कहा कि पहली मर्तबा एक खातून को इस ओहदे पर फायज किया गया है, लिहाजा इसके लिए वो वजीर आला सिद्धरामैया, नायब वजीर आला DK शिवकुमार और दीगर का शुक्रिया अदा करती हैं। आयशा खानम ने कहा कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा नौजवानों को जर्नलिज्म की जानिब रागिब करना मीडिया एकेडमी के जरिए सहाफियों की हौसला अफजाई और रहनुमाई करना उनकी कोशिश रहेगी। साथ ही मियारी सहाफत, क्वालिटी जर्नलिज्म को फरोग देने के लिए वो मंसूबे बनाएंगी। जनूबी हिंद न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।
Well, it is a historic moment and it is a matter of pride for me that I have been given this responsibility of chairperson of Karnataka Media Academy, and for the first time a woman has been given this position in the history of Academy, which is a big thing, which is a huge encouragement and huge support to the women that we have received here. And for this I must thank the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar, and also the media advisor Prabhakar, who has been relentlessly following up this entire appointment process, especially appointing a woman, and it is a matter of really pride that with the announcement of my name I was flooded with best wishes from all across the state and from all the journalist fraternity, and everyone seemed to be excited about the fact that finally the Karnataka government has given the post to a woman. Sometime back we didn't even have a member in the Media Academy committee, but then this is a big huge gift that the Chief Minister has given to us, to the journalists. So our job will now be to strive for quality journalism, to work towards upliftment of the rural journalistic quality, rural journalists, give them vision, give them more programs, bring in more youngsters into the activity of the Karnataka Media Academy, because the youngsters are bright, but they need to be integrated in the system, in the academy, which will guide them in taking up this profession in a manner like where all the former chairpersons of this academy had adorned this academy. So I will have this huge responsibility to take forward the responsibilities and the vision set by the previous chairmen, and I will have to follow the vision, and we will bring in new energy, new ideas, and also upgrade it with the help of technology. So this is a big moment for all of us here, and it's a big moment for all the members in the academy.